Here's an example of pneumothorax processing with the CARESTREAM ImageView software. We will begin by selecting a patient from the modality work list. After verifying the proper exposure factors, the radiographer captures an image. The preview image of the chest will appear in the center pane. Once the full resolution image is available, the radiographer can select the pneumothorax companion view icon. This will reprocess the original image to produce a companion view with increased edge enhancement and smoothing to increase the ability to visualize and detect a pneumothorax. It's also important to note that the companion view can be automatically generated if configured to do so. The radiographer now has the ability to toggle between the two images by selecting the proper icons. Once satisfied with the two images, they can be accepted and queued for delivery to the PACS. The radiographer can now navigate back to the modality work list for the next patient.